Hello, in this video let's talk about factoring the sum of cubes. So here is an example. It's a little bit unclear at the moment to see if that's any formula at all. So the first step to do is to factor out the GCF, the greatest common factor, and that'll tell us if there is anything else that we can do. So looking at the numbers, we can see that there is 3 in common between all the numbers, so we can take out the 3. So let's do that. If we take out 3, we'll have nothing for the numbers in the first term, and we'll have 8 in the second. Now, for the x's, there is x squared. There is x squared for each term. So let's take out x squared, that's the most. For the y's, there is y's in the first term, but there is no y in the second term, so we can't take out the y's. And for the z, there is 1 z, and there is 4 z's in the second, so the most we can take is 1. And that leaves us with, the numbers are gone, y cubed, and then from 24 there is 8 left, z cubed. So at this point, if we can rewrite y cubed as something cubed, and 8z cubed as something cubed, then we can use the formula for the sum of cubes, because we do have a plus with 2 cubes. So something cube is y cubed, well, that would be y. Something cube is 8, well, that's 2. And something cube is z cubed, well, that's z. So my a happens to be y, and my b happens to be 2z. So in my template, I replace a with a y, and b is now 2z. And once I clean this up, that would be all for the answer. So here I rewrite the solution one more time. It is y plus 2z, and then y squared. We usually, when we write, the numbers are in front of the letters, so we would put the 2 in front of the y times z, and the 2 squared is 4, z squared is z squared. So this is the completely factored version of our example, except there is a very common thing that I just didn't do. Always remember to add what you factored out on the outside. So that also needs 3x squared z. So the complete answer is all of the factoring with the 3x squared z on the outside. And that's all there is for factoring this cubic. Here is the full version, the full view of it. So we have applied the formula for the sum of cubes, and we have factored this example. The process is always the same. We always try to rewrite each term as something cubed, and then we go to the template and substitute what a is and what b is into the template, and once we simplify, that would be it for the factoring. And that's it for this example. Thanks a lot for your time.